Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to check and download the Duolingo certificate. So whether it's from the Duolingo English test or a completed language course, let's get started. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC or your mobile phone. I'm going to show these steps on a browser. So go to the search bar, type in Duolingo English Test website. Now, it will take you to englishtest.duolingo.com. Simply click on this link and it will show up this page. Here, you'll have to simply log into this site. Now, log into this site using user credentials with which you have given your test and click on the My Dashboard button. Now, it will take you to your dashboard where you see My Test, Practice, Test Info and Institution. So, I will choose My Tests option and as you can see, I haven't taken any tests yet. That's why I'm not able to see the test history button. But on this page, you will see test history section where you will see all your completed tests. Here, you'll have to simply click on the test session that you would like to review if it's available. If your results are ready, you will see the download certificate button just on this page under the test. Simply click on it to save the certificate as PDF file to your device. I also have some important notes for you. Certificates for the Duolingo English tests are available for valid tests with passing scores. Also, not all languages or courses offer a completion certificate. Check your achievements for details if it's available or not. Also, ensure that your app is updated for the latest features. And that's how you can check and download the Duolingo certificate. Whether it's for professional purposes or personal milestones, having a certificate is always rewarding. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.